back to another Minecraft Let's Play video. And today I am with my good friend here, Slender Gamer C.
Ah! There are zombies in Subway Surfers.
Yes. Okay, so yes, I'm with this little maniac, and today, well, now remember from last video, we were invaded by zombies.
And attacked.
Yes. In a Subway.
And
That's right, and not the good restaurant Subway, but we made an actual Subway. Yeah, I just realized something. Why is your arm skinny?
Because I'm a skinny boy. So you guys absolutely loved the last video? Well, at least we hoped, because we only uploaded it like 2 minutes ago. I mean, wait, what?
Yes, big boy.
So we're going to hop straight into this again. We think we know what we need to do, which is very rare.
Yeah. Come here, boy.
Okay.
Wait, let me get in. Okay, got him. Wow.
Okay. So if you don't know, this is a thing about stuff where you shoot stuff at stuff. So we're.
Come here.
Oh my gosh!
Oh no! I don't have a gun, and it's. I would hit
Get
you.
a rusty knife. Get a rusty knife.
I don't have enough points. I don't have
Then
any
how come
points.
I have 500?
I don't know.
I got a rusty knife for you. Come over here and I'll hand you a knife.
No.
There's a knife over here.
No.
Oh wait, you're dead? Did you get it?
No. Yes, I got it. Come here, boy.
Get the baby. You get the baby. I'll get.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So as you saw, this is Subway Surfers with zombies.
No, really doesn't look like it, but okay. Hey y'all, you're Rockstar. Get your game on. Go. Please don't demonetize my channel for singing that.
Everyone knows how tough it is for YouTubers with like demonetization.
Yes, please do not demonetize. Come here, boy.
YouTube, for any reason, do not demonetize us.
I know, because there's some stuff in the past. No, I'm still going at it. Oh,
Sweet.
oh yeah! I got back up to 500 points.
Okay, good. Good. Keep that, because you might need it to revive me.
Yes.
Oh wait, I can make the bridge. Let's go.
Oh yeah!
Okay, since you have the knife, you knock them out. Don't crouch. I've learned not to crouch when you do that, because if a zombie passes by, if a zombie passes by, especially if it's a baby zombie, you would want to not be crouching.
Okay. Die you.
I'm gonna punch them on their way down just for the measure.
Easy. See that double punch. Double punch.
How much?
You go over there. You go over there and draw them in.
How much points do you have left?
525. So I'm able to respond you.
If you get 750, give me a rusty knife.
Okay. His name's John Cena. See ya, sucker.
Sorry for my cold. You may have heard it in the last video, but
yes, we have.
Just okay, please do not demonetize. This is a rated PG-13 video.
Oh no! Baby!
Oh, I thought I knocked him off.
No!
No!
Thunder! I will help you! Oh, crap, no!
Oh no, there's an alpha.
Where? Kill the alpha.
There's so many guys I can't get through.
What? I got bullets.
I fell.
No!
Knock the zombies off the bridge and then revive me. Okay.
Hi, buddy.
Ah!
Get across the bridge. Don't fall this time. For some reason, I got bullets.
Those might have been my bullets.
Holy cow. Here comes the horde. And
Aha! I like
Sucker.
it when the babies ride this ride the adults.
Yes, it's like a double kill. It's like a double kill. Yeah.
Yeah.
Hello. 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 Oh yeah, there you are. Come on, boy. Come on, boy. Come at me, brother.
Please give me 125 points because then I'll be able to get a knife. Ah!
Here. Wait. No.
You know what?
No.
Come over to the bridge.
About to give you a knife.
Just help plow. Just
That is a lot of zombies.
as long as you just
die.
spam.
Oh no.
Help! This is a subway, and how is nobody here?
Because they're all running or infected.
Get to the other side of the bridge.
No.
Did you die?
Yes, please respawn me. You have enough
I need
points?
to get enough. No! Yes. Okay. I need to get a knife so then I can survive, and then I'll revive. Then I'll revive you.
How much is the revive?
500, and I just got to 25.
Come on, Buster. You can do this. You can do this, my friend. You can. It's like, sorry guys, you can't all see his screen. But
I'm just knocking them off the bridge.
look at my cool face. Oh.
Where did you die?
I died somewhere.
Like, which side were you on? Were you on the beginning side of the bridge or the other side?
I guess the beginning side. Well, not the other side, actually.
Die, zombie!
Die,
It was a
potato,
baby
die.
zombie, and I knocked him off.
No, but I baked you up high. Don't demonetize me. Hello.
A rusher! The rushers are the guys that run fast. If you haven't heard.
Really? No.
Okay.
Round 8.
How much points do I get?
25.
Oh, freak!
You're gonna die.
I'm dead.
Go ahead, fall off into bit. I can see your gamer tag from here.
There are like 5 rushers.
Nice, very nice.
Okay, let's do that again.
Yes, this is fun. Wait.
You win?
Yes.
Step back a bit. Okay, there we go.
Yes, I got bullets and again.
Go ahead and get a rusty knife.
Hold on.
How much points do you have?
500. How many do you have?
500. So why don't you get 2 rusty knives for both of us? I'll cover you. Get 2 knives. Oh my gosh, do you hear that?
Yes, it echoes. What?
No, it's both of ours going. Dude, get the knives. I'll cover you.
Oh man, I can see the bullets. It's so cool.
I need to save my bullets. Okay, hand me one.
There you go. There goes all my money, so I can't revive you if you ever die.
Yeah.
And I just got 225 back. Okay, cool.
I got it 100.
Oh, I know how we get points. We kill zombies and we get experience points. That makes so much sense.
And we don't get much when we knock them off the bridge.
I'll be back here sniping.
Make sure you don't use all the bullets.
I'll try not to.
So the more zombies you kill, the more points you get. But I think you get like 100 or like.
Oh yeah. Okay, I'm up to.
I think you get like 100 for surviving a round anyway.
Should I?
It's baby.
Kill the baby.
Dang it. The problems with babies is that if you step up somehow, you like completely. Oh, I got the baby.
Oh, okay, that zombie. There's one behind us. I'll cover our backs. Oh, I'm dead. I'm dead.
You're dead?
I'm almost dead. Gotta heal, gotta heal. No, no. Get away from me. Get away from me.
I got him. Oh. How many bullets do you have? I have 42.
I have,
I have 42 for you because I just got,
Thank you.
Oh, the zombies dropped the bullets. They dropped like...
Go ahead.
I think how you got bullets is you got the max bullet thing.
Dude, baby zombie. Baby zombie. Come over here to the bridge.
I forgot about the bridge. I got him. Help! I'm crouching for some reason.
Coming, Buster. Come on. Okay, I'll knock him off.
While they're easy, we should actually try to kill them. So we can get more points. We fell.
Never mind.
Oh, I think they dropped like one of the heart things. Try to kill him. How much do you need to open this up? Ooh! I can open up the gate.
Huh? You can open up the gate?
Yeah. So that's it. The more zombies you kill, the more points you get. So I think. Oh, and this is only round 5. Sweet. Turn power on. There's a baby zombie down here.
Are we coming down there
to
help you?
They're spawning down here.
What?
Help! I'm about to die.
Coming.
I'm dead.
No!
Revive me. Oh, you don't have enough.
No, I don't have enough.
And I didn't get to turn the power on.
I'll turn on the power. No!
There's a baby zombie, so... Okay, go and revive me when you get enough points.
Come here, boy. Well.
Go up. Oh, so the subways might... Kill him! Oh gosh, my nose. You can't move! Okay, try to just kill them. Kill them, then you'll get enough points to revive me. Okay, wait. Kill these two, like a man. Or that. So it plays kind of like the guitar, like da 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 when you kill them.
There we go.
See? Okay, do not hit that equip button because you will lose whatever you're holding.
Oh, really?
Uh-oh.
Oh, train's here. And zombies are spawning
what are those buttons? Wait, there's a mystery crate! Go down that hallway! Oh wait, it's 900 points to get it.
Takes at least 4 hits to kill one of these zombies.
You know, if you jump and on your way down you hit them, you get a critical hit.
Oh, really?
Yeah. How much is it?
Gate, 1,500 points.
Okay.
Oh, more zombies.
What room
Security
is that?
office. Security office.
Don't back up too much, or you'll fall.
The train is here, so I don't think I'm gonna fall yet.
Go! You're doing it! You're dying too, but you're doing it!
The train is leaving!
Just wait. How do you... Check if there's anything behind you. Check the security office.
Hello.
We're in the same room, so I'm able to see his screen. Oh, there was a pressure plate. Ooh,
waiting for question.
Wait.
Daniel Arlen. Victoria.
Oh, those are the people who worked on this map.
Hello.
Don't
Oh, no.
press equip. Okay, snipe them off.
Fireball!
How much points do you have? Still 300? Stop moving. Ah.
Oh. Please tell me this last zombie.
Snipe.
Ah! Here we go.
How do you know when the train's leaving?
When it says the train is leaving.
On what? Text? The chat?
No.
Where does it say it?
Right here. Oh, come on. That ain't the final zombie.
Okay. Maybe they're down in the power section.
Oh, maybe. Help me! No.
They might be in the train. Check in the train.
Nope.
Go on that side of the train because you know that there's none in here. Check down there.
Yep, there's some down here. Please tell me you're the last zombie.
Oh wait, there's one over there.
Come here!
Wait, I'm back in.
What?
How am I back in?
I don't know.
Maybe if you survive.
Train is leaving. Bye. What?
What?
1,200 points.
Can
What?
you get me a knife? Because I don't have anything.
Sure, I got enough money. Woo! No.
I'll lower them. Hey, some tasty legs here.
Get it.
Did you get one?
No. Zombie. I'm almost dead. Help.
Oh. Why is there a zombie over here? Where are you?
Over here.
Give me a knife. Give me a knife. Oh my gosh, there's a baby zombie in the control center. Did you get a knife for me?
No, about to though.
Get it to me.
Here. Uh-oh.
Get it. Okay, wait until we regen, until we can take the zombies down in the control center, because I think there are...
I'll go ahead and snipe a couple of them.
I think there's a baby zombie down there. Okay, regen, boy.
This is fun. I'm waiting.
Dude, don't go too far because the baby zombies won't see you. Oh my gosh, there's a rusher down in the...
Uh-oh, my knife is almost dead. I need another. Them sounds ain't
I can buy you another one.
Glory! No, I got another. I still got 1,000 points. Tell him.
There's some down here. Like, there's a rusher.
Oh, yeah, I
and
see the
an
rusher.
alpha.
Whoa!
The rushers are kind of easy. Like, they're like baby zombies. Just there was a nuke. One of them dropped a nuke, and we just killed a bunch.
Nice. We kill all of them. Okay. We don't have
Run up.
What?
Oh! The rotten flesh that you pick up is the points.
Wait, really?
I think.
Oh!
Yeah, it's points. It's 25 points to pick up rotten flesh. Help! I can't move! Boom! Yes, I got the babies.
Uh-oh, my knife broke. Good thing I got food. Die.
So pick up the rotten flesh because those are points.
Okay, ooh, yeah. Nice.
Oh, there was a nuke. Yeah. I have 1,150.
I have 1,000. We can get to soda now.
No, that's
or the mystery crate. Mystery crate.
Yeah. Do that.
Oh no!
Oh man! Oh wait! For some reason I'm killing them all. Ah!
Laggy.
Die, rusher. Yeah!
Very nice.
Oh, get the sweet stuff. What'd you get? Oh, it gave us a bunch of XP.
Oh, yay. Okay, cool.
Oh, wait, I can open up the gate.
Cool. Okay, sweet.
Sweet.
Let's see.
Revive.
Revive?
Huh?
Huh?
It's revive. It says just revive one person. It doesn't say one person, but like the other one said revive player. Ooh, there's a secret passage behind here. There's a bunch of composters. Wait, there's a chest.
What?
World Series bat. Look at this thing.
Oh. Train is leaving.
I mean, you get a gun, so.
Oh yeah, I get a gun.
I don't have enough to Okay, security office. Show yo disgusting little faces. Oh, there's a bunch of rotten flesh in here. I'll be able to open another mystery crate.
Sweet.
Sweet.
Sweet
Can
cheese.
you snipe some off of there? I have some bullets for you. Where are you? Here's a stack.
Thank you.
It's right behind you.
Oh yeah, I got it.
Okay, let's see what we got. Let's see what we get. Please a gun. Please a gun. What happened? Bat on!
What?
Hold on. Here, I'll give this to you.
Ooh.
It's like this World Series bat, except this one has like enchantments on it.
Ooh.
This World Series bat has smite, unbreaking, and knockback. Oh gosh, it's lagging. It's lagging.
It's not lagging for me.
Oh, that knockback is good. Look at this. Bam!
Nice.
So now we know. Rotten flesh. I think one rotten flesh equals 25 points.
I think so as well. I got 1,000. I got 1,025 points.
I have 425. Where do we need to unlock more stuff?
I don't know. I'm gonna try the mystery crate again.
You have to open up the thing.
Oh yes!
Oh, sweet! Can I have your pistol?
Yeah, sure. Go ahead. Oh, it's a crossbow. Oh, that's cool. Here.
Hand me your gun. I have some bullets. Don't worry.
Oh, don't worry. I didn't give you any. Look at that! I want to shoot zombies so badly. Where are they?
That thing is huge.
Wait, really? Let me see what it looks like in my hand.
You're turning.
Wow, that is amazing.
It looks so cool. Oh, you're holding it sideways because that's how it works.
Oh yeah, it's a crossbow. I want to shoot zombies so badly.
There's no more zombies over here. Let's see. Where could the next place be? If any of you are raging in the comments going like it's right there, we're sorry. Wanted for questioning. Oh, it's like wanted posters. Oh, I get it now.
Hello. Train. What was that?
That was a bell. It was in here.
I have an idea. Sorry. Oh, here we go. There's zombies down here?
No.
Oh, there. Yes.
Oh, I forgot down there. Yeah. This will be perfect for baby zombies because it knocks them back.
Wow, this thing's powerful.
I'll use my knife for these easy guys.
Yes, we can defeat it.
There's some rotten flesh down here.
I'll take that.
I might get enough. Oh, I have enough for another mystery crate. So this is as far as we go?
Do what?
Is this as far as we go? Let's go before the train leaves.
What?
Yeah!
Nice.
Look. You can get the rotten flesh. Train is leaving.
What?
I got another pistol.
Nice.
Like it's just a normal one. I guess I'll be able to use it when mine runs out of durability. Get them baby zombies! Yeah! I'm gonna go ahead and hit the ones in the way back, so then they'll go like, oh, they're over there.
Oh yeah, kill one.
Ah!
Train.
My nose. I'll go check if there's any in the security office or the other places that we've unlocked. You good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Wait.
Uh-oh, we got a golem zombie. Baby golem. That thing will, it gives me poison. Help.
Oh my gosh, it's lagging. Yeah!
Yeah.
Ooh, flesh.
Uh,
Staff only. Is there any down here? Yep.
Yep.
So it's not killing zombies, it's gaining their rotten flesh. Okay. We beat that round. You have enough for red soda?
No, not yet.
That's a health boost.
Yeah, I know.
Okay. Ah!
No! I'll revive you.
No! I had so much stuff!
Hi. Look out. Look! Oh no! Nope.
No. Knock them off the bridge! Get out of here! Get out of here! Get out of here!
Those things affect y'all.
I have enough to get a knife.
Uh-oh. My staff broke. But I still got the musket. Should I say the Dereka?
Do you have a pistol left over?
No.
Oh gosh. Oh no, there's a golem down here. There's a golem down here.
We might need this.
You might be able to snipe him. I haven't. Come at me, bro. Actually, do not. Oh gosh. I got him.
Oh, I got more bullets.
Sweet, me too. Rusher.
Ah!
Dang it. Ah! Ah! I'm about to. I did.
I got enough to respawn you.
Me.
I will.
I think if you buy the revive when you get 1,000.
No!
No!
Alright then, y'all. I guess.
So we know. Okay, we'll end this video here. So we know where the World Series bat is, which is mine, and you get the musket.
Okay.
Do you think we should do one more round?
No.
Okay. So
This has been
28
minutes. Longer than the last video.
So anyway, this was a fun video to make. So So yeah, I don't know where you're looking because you're you're in the thing. So this was fun. Thumbs up if you want another. If you want another part 3, which we shall call This Again.
This again.
But anyway, so like, comment, and subscribe, all that good stuff, and goodbye.
Bye-bye, y'all.